great people, and we are on such an exciting day today. If you watched my video a few days back, I picked my final selections for this fantastic November 5th Bonfire night fireworks display for you all. You also probably heard in that video, since 1605 AD, so 420 years, we've celebrated fireworks or bonfire night in this country since Guido, or Guy Fawkes if you want to call him that, tried to blow up the Houses of Parliament. What a shame he didn't succeed, to be honest, especially the politicians we have now. Anyway, I've got 40 fireworks, if you watched my last video, which I'm going to do tonight. It'll be 13 fountains, 10 rockets, some of them are the highest classification rockets, barrages, shock tubes, firecrackers, a Catherine wheel, Roman candles, whole bunch of stuff. Anyway, let's head down, out there, into the garden, and let's get this display going, and I really hope you enjoy this video. So first off, for this bonfire night 2025, we're doing one of these flame rockets by TNT Fireworks. Enjoy the show. So what are we doing next? We're doing the bonfire heart, and this one is by Jonathan Brothers, which are the professional fireworks I bought at the Tamar Nurseries Garden Centre. This is a 70 shot firework. To be safe, remember, safety is paramount. We're going to squish this between two logs to make sure it is absolutely safe and it won't go nowhere. So now we're doing a Jonathan's fireworks. These are from Hat Garden Centre, and these are the highest classification rockets you can buy, or fireworks, in this whole country of England. 1.3G, I think they're 16 gram rockets. So right now we're going to do this Jitterbugs firework by Cosmic Fireworks, and this is the fountain. There's a YouTube video for this and it is awesome. Let's go and light this thing up and enjoy the show. So now, by Jonathan's Fireworks, we're going to do this Magical Stars Roman candle. Enjoy. So here we've got one of these Firestar Devil rockets. Let's light this up and see what it does. This should be damn good. So time now for one of these Cosmic Fireworks Star Strobe shot tubes. You didn't know they've got a cone on the bottom. Dig them well into the ground. It sends up one single ball from this canister with an amazing boom. Glistening, lightning, crackling, the whole lot. Let's light this up. This will be damn loud. So here we have a rainbow firework, a fountain, that's all. Let's light this up. It should be good and hopefully colourful for you all. So now we're on this one, which is by Jonathan's Fireworks, and it's lightning bolt barrage. 8 shots, as you can see on the packaging, and this was £8.50 on its own, so it better be good. Let me light this and show you this nice firework. It's thin fucking fuse as well, I can see that. It even bought proper fuse. So here we are, a firecracker. This is a bull one. Like, I'd call them, I can't really call them in America, but it's 2 grams. Let's throw this freaking thing and see what happens. If the lighter will work. That was rather loud. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Right, we're doing this midnight mirage. Again, this is by Fire Star Fireworks. Incredible. Let's light this thing up and enjoy it. It's really nice colours, isn't it? Crackles, sparkles. Yeah, really good. So we're on 1.3G rockets now, the Jonathan's Fireworks Raid rockets, the highest classification you get in this country. This is going to be loud, it's going to be incredible. If I can get the wind away from my lighter to light the bloody thing. Right, so we're on to another Jonathan's Fireworks here, called the Killer Bee. I hope this one works for you, because I tried firing it a few weeks ago, it didn't work. So I've actually refused it with Visco fuse and glue gunned it, so let's have a look. I hope it does go off, because it sounds like a really nice firework. Let's see. Now I'm on to the standard fireworks fire shock tube. If you've seen these on my channel before, you know they're incredible. One great big ball gets splat up right in the air, and a huge boom with lots of sparkles, crackles and colour. Amazing. Again, by the professional fireworks I bought from Hat Garden Centre by Jonathan's Fireworks. We're doing these nukes of hazard. On this box, as you can see, it's 28 gram of net explosive content, and it's category F2 battery or cake. Right, by Cosmic Fireworks, we are doing the moon dust fountain here, so enjoy this. Enjoy.